Innocent and a cute face can also turn into an evil one. Simple but full of darkness. Hello guys, so welcome again to my YouTube channel. So for this video, today I'm going to teach you how to make this evil dwarf makeup look for your Halloween makeup idea. Are you guys ready? Let's go! Before anything else guys, i-set away ko muna yung hair ko para hindi siya maging sagabal sa pag-apply ng aking makeup. And also, please don't forget your hair velcro. And to add some creepiness, don't forget to add or to put a contact lenses. Here I have the Luxxe Organic Spray Mist. Ang gamit ko is yung rose water variation to add some moist, and also don't forget to massage your face along with the product. For the primer, I'm going to use a LA Girl Pro Prep HD primer because I want to hide but to blur out my pores. For my foundation, I'm going to use a NYX Total Control foundation. On this part guys, I'm going to customize my foundation. As much as possible guys, we are trying to achieve the pale skin. So it must be 2 to 3 shades lighter than on your skin. Don't worry guys if it looks weird. It doesn't matter. Halloween excuse ang pagiging maputi ang foundation. Foundation isn't enough, so I'm going to use a Clinique liquid concealer. So this is the lightest liquid concealer that I own. As much as possible, you have to conceal the dark circles because you know we're trying to achieve the pale skin to make it more realistic. And of course, don't forget to highlight your T-zones, your cupid bow, and of course your chin. And I'm going to blend it using the same sponge that I've used recently, which is the microfiber from Juno & Co. For the setting powder, I'm going to use a Nichido. I'm in the shade Ivory Glow. On this part guys, like my normal makeup routine, you don't need to bake. All you need to do is you have to blend all the loose powder so that your foundation can set right after the application. For your eyebrows guys, today I'm going to use a Blythe Trio Eyebrow cosmetic. So guys, we don't need to to put a lot of efforts dun sa ating eyebrows. Just make your eyebrows more presentable and that's it. Because today for this makeup look guys, i-focus lang natin ang ating makeup look sa eyes kasi yun ang magmamatter talaga sa look na to. Because we don't want to compromise your makeup, your eye makeup look over your eyebrows. And then using a Nichido powder blush, I'm in the shade Tomato I think. So this will be the main transition of my eye makeup. So I'm going to put this all over my eyelids. And of course, don't forget your lower lash line. Ito yung parang namamaga ang style, parang wala kang tulog. Something like this. From the Beauty Glazed eyeshadow palette, I'm going to pick a eyeshadow na plum red or muted yung pagkaka-red niya to add some depth on my eyelids rather. Para mas mukha siyang namamaga or mukhang walang tulog. And of course, don't forget your lower lash line. For the last step, I'm going to use a Sunset Dusk palette from the Beauty Glazed as well. I'm going to use this pinkish tone. I'm just going to focus this on the V corner on my eyelids to add some, to create some a little bit deep illusion on my eyelids, and then I'm going to blend all the excess all over my eyelids, so it can put a lot of transition. And then please don't forget your lower lash line as well to make it more natural looking. And then from the Katvon the Shade and Light eyeshadow palette, I'm going to use the dark brown eyeshadow to create a deeper eye look from my lower lash line. And I'm going to wet my angle brush. Ito yung technique ko pag gusto kong ma-intensify yung color ng black eyeshadow to tighten up my my waterline, because I'm not an avid fan of using eyeliner. So instead, I'm going to use a eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to mix it using a Luxxe Organic, kasi mas matte tignan or mas full tignan rather, or mas natural tignan si powder rather than eyeliner. And then, dun sa aking dulo ng aking eyes, I'm going to create a cat eye para mas mukhang matulis yung aking mata, para mas ma-emphasize ko pa yung contact lenses ko to make it, to create, or to add some creepiness on my eyes. And use any mascara that you own, especially kung meron siyang fiber, that will be better. So here I have the Voluminous Fiber Mascara. So don't forget your lower lash line as well para mas mag-open up ang inyong eyes. The darker, the better. From City Color Contour Effects, I'm going to contour my nose. Guys, we need to skip contouring your face kasi diba we are trying to aim a pale skin. So sa nose lang tayo, yung temple, yung mga cheeks, skip that. Hindi natin kailangan mag-contour. And then, I'm going to use a Maybelline Lip Tint. Lahat ng shade or products na ginamit ko ay nasa description box lamang. So, I'm just going to even out the color of my lips to make it more pale. And then, I'm going to use a Ivory lipstick. I think this is in the shade Storm. Nagamit ako ng medyo muted plum red to create a gradient look. Pale siya, but there is a gradient effect inside of your lips para mas mukha siyang mag-smaller yung inyong lips para hindi ma-compromise ang inyong eye look. And then, para sa ating bruise or sa sugat, kung yung ginamit kong transition kanina sa mata, ganun din siya. So dito, in-skip ko na yung blush. Ang ginamit ko kagad dito is yung from Beauty Glazed eyeshadow, yung color maroon. So, after kong i-apply, yung pinaka-end corner o yung outer part nung eyeshadow, i-blend ko para ma-diffuse, para hindi siya harsh tignan. And then, right after, mag-a-add ako ng mas dark pa na red dun sa inner part ng aking bruise para mas mukha siyang realistic. Yes, tamang hula nyo. Another dark color, which is the color brown. Don't forget your inner lips. And then of course, tama kayo, pa-dark ng pa-dark. Now we're about going to use a color black eyeshadow. Pero careful lang kayo guys. We're going to focus on the inner part lang dapat. Dapat hindi siya madi-diffuse dun sa outer part ng inyong ginawang eyeshadow. Kasi yung black yan ang paglalagyan ng lip tint para mas mukhang kapanipaniwala yung inyong blood sa inyong lips. See? This is what I'm talking about. And then, ikalat lang natin yung ibang lip tint. Ang gamitin yung pang-blend is yung kuko, not your finger. Kasi yung pagkaka-diffuse ng lip tint, dotted siya na natural. So to finish everything, I'm going to use any props. Elf ears and hairstyle. Again, having an innocent and cute face can also turn into an evil one. Sana nagustuhan nyo ang aking makeup tutorial guys. Please don't forget to subscribe on my channel but to click the ring bell icon, and please don't also forget to subscribe on my channel but also to my social media account, and don't forget to to click the thumbs up button there and to share it to your social media account. And see you in my next video guys, and happy Halloween.